Need to switch the debit card you use for Apple Cash instant transfers? Apple has streamlined this process, making it easy to update your payment method through two different approaches. Before updating your card, ensure it meets Apple's requirements. Your card must be a Visa or MasterCard debit card issued by a participating bank, registered in your name, and support real-time payments. The first method uses the Wallet app directly. Open the Wallet app, tap your Apple Cash card, then tap the three dots in the upper right corner. Select Transfer to Bank, choose Instant Transfer, then either add a new card or modify your existing one. Alternatively, you can update your card through Settings. Navigate to Settings, then Wallet and Apple Pay, select Apple Cash, choose Transfer to Bank, then Instant Transfer to manage your card information. Remember that instant transfers come with a fee. Apple charges 1.5% of the transfer amount, with a minimum fee of 25 cents and a maximum of $15. Free transfers are available, but take 1 to 3 business days to complete. Both methods will guide you through entering your new card details and completing the verification process. Once updated, your new debit card will be ready for instant transfers from your Apple Cash balance. After adding or updating your debit card for Apple Cash Instant Transfer, you'll need to complete a verification process to ensure security and functionality. The first step is two-factor authentication. You'll enter your Apple ID credentials, then receive a verification code on your trusted device that you must enter to complete the authentication process. Next, you'll need to verify your CVV security code. This 3-digit number on the back of your card confirms you have the physical card in your possession. If you encounter issues during verification or transfers, here are the most common problems and their solutions. Card rejections usually require contacting your bank, verification failures need double-checking information, and transfer failures often involve balance or limit issues. Always check your Apple Cash balance and recent transactions before attempting transfers. This helps avoid failed transfers due to insufficient funds or exceeded limits. For maximum security, follow these best practices. Use a strong Apple ID password, keep two-factor authentication enabled, regularly update your card information, monitor all transfer notifications, and report any suspicious activity immediately to Apple support. Remember, proper verification and following security best practices ensure your Apple Cash instant transfers work smoothly and safely. If you encounter persistent issues, don't hesitate to contact Apple support or your bank for assistance.